Hello YouTube! So now we're going to do a little AR shooting. This is Corey's AR. And we'll let Corey tell you a little bit about it. Corey, tell us about your AR. What is it? What do you got here?
Spikes Tactical Lower.
So Spikes Tactical Lower.
Palmetto State Armory Upper. Chambered in 5.56 with a 16-inch mid-length chrome line barrel. Got magpul OD green equipment on it. And I got a Vortex Spark red dot. That's really about it.
Very nice. What stripped, what lower parts kit did you put in it?
It was a Palmetto State Armory one.
Palmetto also? Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Well, let's shoot it. Let's see. We are here.
Shoot the right one, I guess.
Targets are, you can't even see them, way down there. Yeah, you can. There's right at the tip of my finger. 3 targets down there we're shooting at.
Finger out farther.
So we'll see.
No idea how this is gonna do.
I'm gonna go around the other side of the truck so the sun's behind me. I think it'll take a better picture for you guys. Yeah, that's much better.
It's 10 shots. Next up, wanna go?
I guess. I think Jeff goes next. We'll let Jeff go next. Where did Jeff go? Let's see, you want to walk down and look at the target?
We'll all do 3 and then we'll go down. There's a long walk.
Okay.
You gonna stand and shoot?
We'll see. Oh, I can't hardly see the target. My groupings are going to be so bad. You ready?
Yes, sir.
There's this.
Yeah, I got
That's 10.
You're up, Jeff. Not much recoil to it, is there?
No, that mid-length gas system really helps out a lot over the carbine. But from what I've seen, you can get a rifle length gas system, they're even better.
Is it loaded?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
10 rounds.
Shoot till it's empty.
Shoot however you want. I shot standing.
Shoot till it's empty.
Middle one?
No, I shot middle. You get this
Left.
left one.
I don't know if I'll even hit it.
Nah, that's alright.
That's it. Look at the target.
Alright, let's go down and look at the target.
It's cool. We might not have any holes on the target.
That's true. Let's do it. All right. Corey's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it's through the tape. 6, 7, 8, 9, and I think 10 maybe.
Or that.
Or oh, that's going the other way.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I think that's it. 10. I think you shot high. And then I've got, oh looky here, standing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Maybe 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, 9. But I got 2 that killed him. And then Jeff's got
5 on there.
5 on.
F.
1, 2, 3, 4 in the black.
There could be 2 in that. I doubt it.
So, there you have it. AR-15, 1,000 yards, offhand. Hope you enjoyed it.